Firehouse. At the firehouse, firefighters are always working. They read books and they check equipment. Suddenly, the alarm rings. Ding-a-ling. The firefighter gets directions to the fire. The fire truck rushes off. What kind of fire is it? It might be a house fire or a car fire. It might be a forest fire or a boat fire. Visit a firehouse and learn about fighting fires. Firehouse. At the firehouse, firefighters are always working. They read books and check equipment. Suddenly, the alarm rings. The firefighter gets directions to the fire.